Welcome to Play Basic. In today's video, we're diving into YouTube automation and how you can streamline your workflow with step-by-step guidance designed for beginners. Hi, I'm Tanbir Masood. So we have a great tutorial for today. Let's get started. Section 1. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation involves using tools and software to handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on creating content. This can include scheduling uploads, managing comments, and optimizing video performance. The goal of automation is to save time, increase efficiency, and maintain consistency in content production and audience engagement. Section 2. Tools you'll need to get started. You'll need some tools. Here are a few popular options: TubeBuddy, features, keyword research and tag suggestions, bulk processing, annotations, cards and end screen scheduling, uploads and video updates, A/B testing for thumbnails and titles. Benefits: TubeBuddy integrates directly with YouTube, providing easy access to a wide range of tools that streamline video SEO and channel management. VidIQ features in-depth video analytics and performance tracking, keyword research and SEO recommendations, competitor analysis, video optimization checklist. Benefits: VidIQ helps creators understand and improve their content strategy by providing detailed insights and optimization tips. And Canva features design templates for thumbnails, channel art, and social media posts. Drag and drop interface for easy customization. Access to a vast library of graphics, fonts, and images. Benefits: Canva simplifies the creation of visually appealing thumbnails and promotional materials, which can improve click-through rates and viewer engagement. Schedule social media posts to promote your videos using Hootsuite or Buffer. Upload and schedule upload videos to YouTube and schedule them using YouTube Studio and Zapier, Morningfame, SocialBee. Each of these tools offers unique features to help you automate different aspects of your YouTube channel. Using a combination of these tools, you can create a comprehensive automation strategy for your YouTube channel. Section 3. Setting up automation. First, let's connect TubeBuddy to our YouTube account. Next, we'll set up automated upload schedules. Now, let's configure comment moderation settings. Section 4. Automating video optimization. Optimizing your videos for search is crucial. Tools like VidIQ can help automate keyword research and apply best practices for SEO. Demonstrate setting up automated tags, descriptions, and titles. Section 5. Analyzing performance. Once your videos are live, it's important to monitor their performance. Automation tools provide detailed analytics to help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Conclusion: that's a wrap on our YouTube automation guide for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Automating. Till then, take care.